Ormus jug. It just came out of the freezer. I'm going to freeze it or thaw it completely. What occurs is the ormus elements drop out of the material. Once you freeze the ormus solution, it will drop significantly. Now these two bottles were identical. This one here was frozen. It's now begun to thaw. The materials are starting to drop out. Now you can see the water level on the top here. It's right here. And the ormus here. Well, this is where this jug was as well. But once this completely thaws, we're going to see the solid minerals will be on the bottom as a condensate, like a sediment. And this really explains glacier drop-off, when the minerals come out of a saltwater glacier and the minerals can be frozen in a solution. I'll show this, give this a shake. And you can see that now the water level is even. All the clear water that was on top, all this is mixed in, and it is now an even solution. What will occur with this container, once the elements have fallen out, once this is still frozen partially, the water, you can see the water here, there's a big chunk of the ice inside, but once this is fallen out as a sediment, we can shake this all we want. It will not go back into a solution like this one. We can shake it and the materials will fall right out immediately, within seconds. So this is something that geologists should take note of, as this explains how the mineral sources are collected and compressed through a glacier runoff, through the melting of these massive sheets of ocean ice, and the materials, the minerals, end up in these shelves, and over time, through compression, they are compressed again back into the diatomic metals, fused together into what we find in these huge gold veins and silver and platinum veins. And this is a result of all these elements electromagnetically separating, inverting from specific bonds in matter, creating condensation points. And this is basically how I discovered ormus elements, was through understanding electromagnetic functions and cohesion. Basically, it's explained through water, through condensation and evaporation. So we can follow water and we can learn how to tap gravity and electrify it. And this is what ormus elements are teaching me. Cheers.